Healthy soil is the foundation of a thriving garden. It's the bedrock upon which your plants rely for their growth and vitality. It's where plants get their nutrients, water, and support. Without healthy soil, even the most diligent gardener can struggle to achieve a flourishing garden. But how do you know if your soil is healthy? Simply looking at it won't give you all the answers. That's where soil testing comes in. By analyzing your soil, you can uncover hidden issues that might be affecting your plants. Testing your soil is like giving it a checkup. Just as you visit a doctor for a health assessment, your soil needs regular testing to ensure it's in good condition. It tells you important information about the pH level, the texture, and the nutrients present. This data is crucial for understanding what your soil needs. With this knowledge, you can make informed decisions about what to plant and how to amend your soil for optimal plant growth. You can tailor your gardening practices to suit the specific needs of your soil. Imagine planting a beautiful rose bush, only to watch it struggle and fail. This can be heartbreaking for any gardener. Often this is due to unsuitable soil conditions. The wrong pH level or lack of essential nutrients can hinder plant growth. Testing could have prevented this disappointment. By knowing the exact condition of your soil, you can take steps to correct any deficiencies before planting. Knowing your soil type also helps you choose the right plants. Some plants are better suited to certain soil types than others. Some plants prefer acidic soil, while others thrive in alkaline conditions. Understanding these preferences can make a significant difference in your gardening success. A simple soil test can save you time, money, and potential heartbreak in the garden. By investing a little effort in understanding your soil, you can reap the rewards of a vibrant and healthy garden. Soil pH measures its acidity or alkalinity. Understanding the pH level of your soil is crucial for the health of your plants. A pH of 7 is neutral, below 7 is acidic, and above 7 is alkaline. Knowing this helps you determine what plants will thrive in your garden. Most vegetables prefer a slightly acidic pH between 6 and 7. This range allows them to absorb nutrients effectively. To test your soil's pH at home, you can use simple ingredients like vinegar and baking soda. It's an easy and cost-effective method. First, collect a soil sample from your garden. Make sure to gather soil from different areas for a more accurate reading. Remove any debris like rocks or sticks. This ensures that your test results are not skewed by foreign materials. For the vinegar test, place a small amount of soil in a container. This test will help you determine if your soil is alkaline. Pour a little vinegar onto the soil. If it fizzes, your soil is alkaline, indicating a pH above 7. For the baking soda test, mix a bit of soil with distilled water to make a paste. This test will help you determine if your soil is acidic. Add a spoonful of baking soda. If it fizzes, your soil is acidic, indicating a pH below 7. Regularly testing your soil's pH can help you make informed decisions about fertilizing and planting, ensuring a healthy and productive garden. If it fizzes, your soil is acidic. By understanding your soil's pH, you can create the optimal growing environment for your plants. Soil structure describes how soil particles are arranged. This arrangement affects many aspects of soil behavior, including water movement, root growth, and microbial activity. Understanding soil structure is crucial for effective gardening and farming. Good soil structure is crumbly and allows water and air to penetrate easily. This type of soil supports healthy plant growth by providing roots with the necessary oxygen and moisture. Clay soil feels sticky, while sandy soil feels gritty. Each type of soil has its own unique properties and challenges. For instance, clay soil can retain water but may become compacted, whereas sandy soil drains quickly but may lack nutrients. To test soil structure, take a handful of moist soil and gently squeeze it. This simple test can reveal a lot about the soil's composition and its suitability for different types of plants. If it holds its shape but crumbles easily when you poke it, it's likely loam, the ideal soil type. Loam soil is a balanced mixture of sand, silt, and clay, making it perfect for most plants. Another method is the jar test. This test helps you visually analyze the soil's composition by separating its components. Fill a jar halfway with water and add a handful of soil. Make sure to use a clear jar so you can easily observe the layers. Shake well and let it settle for a few hours. This process allows the soil particles to separate based on their size and weight. The layers will show you the proportions of sand, silt, and clay in your soil. By understanding these proportions, you can make informed decisions about soil amendments and plant selection. Section 4. Nutrient know-how. Are we thriving? Just like us, plants need nutrients to grow. Nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium are the primary nutrients, and soil tests can determine their levels. While home tests for specific nutrients are limited, DIY kits are available. These kits use color-changing solutions to indicate nutrient levels. Follow the kit's instructions carefully for accurate results. Alternatively, observe your plants. Yellowing leaves can indicate a nitrogen deficiency. Stunted growth may suggest a lack of phosphorus. It's important to note that these symptoms can also be caused by other factors, so a soil test is always recommended. Section 5. Show and tell visual guides. Visual demonstrations can make understanding soil testing easier. Many online resources offer videos and images illustrating the methods described above. For example, you can find videos showing the fizz reaction of vinegar and baking soda on different soil types. Visual guides can also help you interpret the results of jar tests and DIY nutrient kits. Section 6. Confidence in your garden. Testing your soil doesn't require a science degree or expensive equipment. With a few household items and some basic knowledge, you can gain valuable insights into your garden's most important asset. Remember, healthy soil leads to healthy plants and a bountiful harvest. Don't hesitate to get your hands dirty and try these simple soil testing methods at home. Your garden will thank you for it.